Hey, we're live. I'm Andrew Larder from marketingsharks.com. This is Mike Filsaime. They call him the Michael Jordan of internet marketing. He's into all sorts of things and really knows what works. So when he says 10x your marketing using AI, that's exactly what he's promising. And the best part of all, free live masterclass. So it's called Groove.ai. And I'm going to show you inside. This is my page at marketingsharks.com. So the link is in the video description. You click that and it'll take you right here. I'm going to click through and show you what happens because sometimes people are scared that Mike's going to reach out and grab you. And he would do that if he was there in person. He's that kind of guy. So here we go. Landing page funnel builder, Groove.ai, live masterclass. So this is my website here. There's a bit of an article about what that the funnel page builder does. And then a bit more about basically an invitation to come for a webinar. It's coming up on Wednesday. Today's Monday, so in 2 days in the afternoon, or 10:30 Pacific, where I am in Vancouver, 1:30 Eastern, and away you go. So it's Mike Filsaime doing this. So let's just take a look and see what happens when you go to this. Oh my goodness, what if I click it? Boom, you're there. So here you go. This is going to jump up. There's a pop-up thing, and maybe it already popped up for me. So there's a pop-up thing that goes here, sign in and pick your time. I guess it's not going to do that again, but here's what it's all about. Join the masterclass. Here's the time. You can see that there is, there's just the time. Bam. Free ticket here. Fill it in. Your first name, last name, email address. Not too scary. There you go. Welcome, Michael Jordan of digital marketing. And here you go. Here's what you will find. Artificial intelligence. He's going to show you how to use artificial intelligence to make money. That's what it's all about. I like this pinpoint precision, which is content exactly to what you want. And you can see here, he goes through the whole thing, customizable AI personalities, create the output, collaboration, how everything works that you can do with artificial intelligence. And the whole thing is free. You just click the button, and actually you don't click the button. You come here and you go your first name, last name, email, reserve my spot, boom, you're done. So check this out. Mike Filsaime. He's everything you can imagine about internet marketing. He's going to show us how to 10 times our results using artificial intelligence. I don't know if you can ask for anything more. AI is the big keyword right now. It's the explosive boom of the internet. And here's one of the top guys in the world to teach you how to use it, show you the software that he's created to make everything happen for you. You couldn't ask for anything more. Bam, click the link in the video description. Take you to my site at marketingsharks.com and click the product box or the, there you go. That's our sum of the pop-up. There you go. Same thing again here. First name, last name, email, reserve my spot now. Free ticket, unlocking the power of AI, transforming industries and driving business success. Are you okay with that? I'm making more money with AI and it's free. Go check it out. I'm Andrew Larder from marketingsharks.com.